Okay, Jean, you know you don't have to do that yet, right? Because like we have to film.
It doesn't.
Oh my god.
Hey, what's up there, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. I'm Gina.
And I'm Zach.
And today we will be doing each other's makeup.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we have this fucking janky ass blindfold that Gina made. It like, what are we atoning for our sins? Like, what the fuck is this shit? So one of us is gonna be blindfolded, and that person that's blindfolded is gonna do the makeup of the other person and hope for the best. And yeah, here we go. Oh shit.
That doesn't work.
Got it.
This hurts. Okay, I'm ready.
Okay,
Oh lord.
wait, how are you supposed to reach the makeup?
I can reach it.
Okay.
Can you face me?
Would you like to show the camera what you have? What is that?
I don't know where the camera is.
What is that called?
Powder foundation. Close your eyes, please, and your mouth. Please. I'm gross. This is so gross. Okay, so that was the powder foundation. So next, what you have to do is we're gonna find the eyeshadow in the eyeshadow brush. And let me just look at the colors. Great. Okay, I know exactly what to do for your eyes. Okay. Any more? You need some more color there, honey. This is so hard. Okay. Moving on to blush next. There's gotta be another brush here. I know I put it. Don't touch it. I'll find it. Got it. Now we have the rose blush. This is used to make his cheeks pop. Yeah.
Should shut my eyes.
Gotta get it right on the cheekbones. This is very important that you get the placement right of it. There you go. Wait. Ooh, that's face hair. Okay. Ooh. So that was the blush. It's gonna make his cheekbones look really nice.
What is that?
I have no idea. Next up, I don't want to hurt your eyelashes.
I'm just kidding.
Well, if I poke your eyes, then you have to tell me to stop.
Okay, I'm just gonna like. Okay.
Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Did I get you?
Okay, you got that eye. You're good.
Just hurt.
No, I'm good.
Okay, that's enough. I don't want to overdo the look. Oh fuck.
Give me both.
Got it.
Okay, what's
Next, let me see. Let me look at you.
You can't look at me right now.
I don't know what that was. I hope we didn't need it. I know this is lip gloss.
You looking for something else to put first?
Yes.
Okay, you ready?
Oh lord. I picked out this shade especially for him. I knew it would match his skin tone really well. Oh god. Can you please stop? Go around a lot to blend it in. I think I felt some teeth. Okay, that's enough for the lipstick. Another thing that a lot of people do on top of their lipstick is put the lip gloss, just to give it that sheer look.
The double-ended lipstick.
What?
Did you grab a double-ended lipstick?
No, it's a separate one.
Okay.
Okay, please don't open your mouth. You feel it? Did it break?
Do you know what you just did?
I think I know.
Can you try that again?
I know what I did.
Yeah, can you try that again? Maybe just like.
I know what I did. That doesn't. Okay. Oh, okay. I just want everybody to know that I'm closing my eyes right now. I don't know why. Okay, so now I have the eyeliner. Let me give it a shake. This is liquid eyeliner. Yeah. Just gotta get the wings nice and crisp. There you go. It's a challenge that most women face, getting the wings absolutely correct with their eyeliner on the first try, but I really perfected it.
Are you excited? I
think he's done.
Okay, you can take it off now.
Okay, 1. Do you know what you look like? Oh, of course you do. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh my god, wow! It's all on your teeth. Smile.
Can we talk about this? Before, when you're doing my mascara, you fucking did my eyebrows. You literally. Oh my god. Okay, it's my turn. Okay. I'm not. You know, just because I'm gay doesn't mean I'm good at this.
Oh, I know. I just don't want you to hurt me.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get makeup on this, but who cares?
It's fine. Oh, it's gonna ruin your. No, it won't. Do you need me to tie it?
Wait, hold on. I think I can do that. Okay.
There you go. Go ahead.
God.
Can you see?
Nope.
How many fingers am I holding up?
7.
Great.
Okay, so what we're gonna start out with is a basic foundation. And you know, this is really good just to make sure, you know, you get rid of any pimples that you might not want to be seen on camera. Making sure everyone looks good and, you know, look so nice and pretty for everyone. And maybe a little more. Okay, I think we got enough coverage. Hold on. Just cover that up.
I'll take it.
Okay, and next we're gonna go for some eyeshadow. I forgot
to tell you.
Is it that bad?
No, it's fine. I forgot to tell you it was broken. Okay. There's nothing in it.
Okay, we're gonna go for another eyeshadow. I'm gonna go for a beautiful one from this. Hold on, let me just look for a brush. Yeah, probably looks like she's doing it. Okay, and we just need to have a really good brush. And you know, you just know it. I'll make sure. You get a good even color, you know, just make sure you pick the same exact color for both sides. And you know, just make sure you fill in, do some highlighting on the side. And make sure I match that exactly on the other side. I think that's good. Next we're gonna do a beautiful mascara. I think.
Oh my god, slow down.
Wait, what?
I thought you were gonna poke me.
Okay. You just gotta.
Should I open my eyes?
Hold on. Whatever you want to do, boo boo. Don't sue me. Okay, I'm gonna do this side first.
Okay.
Okay, there we go. Okay, and hold on, let me just make sure I have enough food. Okay.
Wait! No.
Okay, let me just. Okay. It's good. Okay, I think that's good. Gotta seem like you're dying. And next we're gonna do. It's my glasses. We're gonna do some of this.
You know what this is?
I think it's the liquid eyeliner. we're good. Next we're gonna do some lipstick, if I can find it. Okay, and to finish it off, I'm gonna put some lip gloss over it, because you know you always have to have a good lip gloss. What do you think I fucked up? Whatever. Some lip gloss. Did I get it?
Yeah.
And that's how you do makeup. I think I'm ready for my masterpiece. Are you good? Are you content?
Are you ready?
Are you content?
I'll take off your blindfold. 1, 2, 3.
Oh fuck, look at the lip.
And a liquid eyeliner. Okay, we gotta smile. Cheese.
Okay, this is fucking disgusting. Okay,
Yeah.
so, that is that. Clearly, you know, we are beauty icons. We're here to do all of your prom makeup and tutorials, and just, you know, bonding is a really good thing in friendship. And we know we trust each other completely. We know that no matter what we look like, or whatever, you know, we are a star. I have this hunchback thing going on, whatever. Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, clearly we trust each other so much that it doesn't matter what we look like to each other and the rest of the world, apparently. So, enjoy.
So yeah, like and comment if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to our channel to keep up with our shenanigans. Okay.
Bye. Do the thing. You feel it? Did it break?
Do you know what you just did?
I think I know.